Today, we begin a calming journey. A deep cleanse and trim for the nails. Slowly, carefully, we remove every speck of dirt, restoring life to tired, overgrown nails. This is not just cleaning. It's therapy. A relaxing ritual, designed just for you. Every cut, every stroke, brings you closer to perfection. Closer to peace. Closer to yourself. Watch how gently the dead skin fades away. How the cuticles are shaped with care. How every edge becomes clean and smooth. Close your eyes. Feel the sensation, the satisfaction, the purest form of self-care. If you're searching for calm, you've found the right moment. Nail care is an art, and today, you are part of that art. Look closely. As every line is cleaned, every curve is refined, there is something deeply satisfying about turning something rough into something beautiful. The sounds you hear are not just tools at work. They are sounds of transformation, of self-respect, of healing. We don't rush here. Each movement is slow, intentional, designed to bring you peace. Sometimes, the smallest care makes the biggest difference. A clean nail, a trimmed edge, a fresh surface can make your entire soul feel lighter. You deserve this time. You deserve this attention. Because self-care isn't selfish, it's sacred. Let the soft tapping soothe your mind. Let the gentle clipping release your stress. Let the brushing sweep away your worries. You are not just watching a video. You are experiencing comfort, from tip to fingertip.